So let's move on to our next game. This one's called Two Truths and a Lie. The idea here is you give us three statements, out of which two are true statements. One is a false statement. It can be challenges, achievements, personal, work-related, whatever. We have to then guess which one's the lie.
Okay, so my first statement is that lab-grown diamonds are not certified diamonds. Lab-grown diamonds come in different colors same as natural diamonds, and lab-grown diamonds do not become yellow over time.
I know the second one is true.
It's true, same. The first one.
I think you can get a
certified. Yeah, I think there is.
Because we looked into certification. I think there is.
Yeah, because with any jewelry, there'll be some level of certification. So wait, your first was it doesn't have certification.
Moissanite's the one that becomes yellow over time. I'm gonna go with the third one's false.
I'm gonna go with the first one's false.
Oh wait, no, the third one's true. First one's false. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, right. Yeah. So basically, like the most common question I get is, will it become yellow over time? And I'm like, it won't, because
moissanite is the one that becomes yellow.
Exactly.
And people compare the
and then people compare the two, and you get same. I'm also wearing like a pink lab-grown diamond today. So
nice.
Okay. And all diamonds are certified by GIA and IGI.
Yeah, I was gonna say that.
Yeah.